See, banks do not finance FCCBs per se because FCCBs have an equity embedded in them. So if they want to finance the FCCBs, it has to be from their own independent sources or best can be by way of ECBs. For ECBs, there are very strict norms that it is given only to companies with an investment grade rating. Though Basel III norms, we are at 9.50, 9.67 tier 1. If you adjust for the IPDR, it is at 9.50. So currently we are comfortable, and government has assured us that they have kept aside 12,000 crores in the current budget. So a good part of that could be made available to SBI. No, not necessary, because earlier NRI bonds were issued for 5 years because the maximum tenor in FCNB deposit was 3 years. So now that the FCNB deposits are available for 5 years and RBI has taken a realistic view of the interest rates and increased the rates to swap rate plus 300 basis point, we think enough mobilization can be happening by the FCNB route itself, and we do not see any additional mobilization happening through the bond. And to my mind, this is my personal view, doing a bond issuance at this kind of time would perhaps reflect some amount of uncertainty and maybe some amount of panic. We have regular meetings half yearly, and we are meeting them, we are even internally. So even if RBI does not call us, NPA is a thing that comes as bothering us all the time. That is also happening regularly because other lenders we meet for each account. But the tightening of norms that has happened is that please we should recognize that nobody goes to CDR by choice. It is like going to a hospital. Now, does anybody go to hospital by choice to be known as a sick person? People go to CDR only when compelled to do so. And the advantage of CDR is that all the lenders are together at one forum, so they can take an integrated view. Because ECB demand will be there from companies, because Indian companies either expanding in India or doing expansion overseas would need dollar funds. Dollar funds are cheaper than rupee funds. Currently not so much, but yes, they may.